Hey guys, it's Chokoi and today we're gonna play some Animal Crossing New Horizons. This game just came out. I got it on when it got released, but I haven't played it yet because I was busy with some other stuff. But since everyone's quarantined right now, we might as well play some Animal Crossing now I got the time. So yeah, I used to play Animal Crossing way back on the Nintendo DS. Animal Crossing New Leaf Green, I think it was called. And now we're back. Yes. Okay. Good afternoon. We're so excited to have you here. Oh, these are the kids. Tom new kids. Timmy. Let us be the first to congratulate you on your wise decision to sign up for this adventure. Welcome to the check-in counter for your deserted island getaway package. Okay, let's go away. Let's go away from this corona, alright? There's so much to look forward to, but first, let's introduce ourselves. I'm Timmy with Nuke Inc. Okay. And Tommy, and of course, Tommy. I can't even tell them apart. Name and birthday. You can change it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna pick. Wait. I'm gonna pick Choco. Oh! O T E O C O. Yes. My birthday 21 Savage. Month the 5th. Yes, May 21st. Yup, my birthday is soon. Choco, let's see. Ah yes, here you are. Our next will be to take a picture of you, Choco. A picture! Oh, so this. Oh, now you can create your own character. I remember with the other Animal Crossing on the DS, you just had to answer a few questions and then you will look like that. The answers you got for the questions, and you just get a random style of looks. Kind of like. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon when you have a certain type of questions and they answer them all and then they pick a Pokemon for you based on your answers, your personality. I'm gonna go with this. Oh wait, no. Hairstyle. Oh, let's see. Oh, this is everything. I guess you can, when you get the hair salon, you can change it. My hair's kinda like this, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna make it black. Yes. The eyes. Oh, this one. Wait, can I? No. These are the only hair types. Okay. Which one should I pick? Oh, I like this one. Nah, this one's the best so far. Ooh, nah, I like this one better. Um, nah, this ain't my type. Nah, 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 no. This one is kinda cool, but I'm gonna go with this one. Yes. Ooh, the colors. I'm gonna do blue. I wanna do blue. It's beautiful. Oh wait, no. Ugh, I keep pressing it. The nose. Triangle. Kinda like the triangle. I guess my nose is kind of round, so I'll pick that. With the teeth. I like this. Okay. I don't need this. That's fine. And we have our cat. Oh, my cat. Yes, Choco. Everything is fine. We can change a bit later. I'm pretty sure with the barbershop or the hair salon. I should go ahead and add that picture to your records. And now let's start talking about your new home. So exciting! You see, we're quite proud of the work we have done to help you feel comfortable in your new life. Oh yes, in fact, if you want, you can even experience the scenes the same way you are used to them. Ooh. What I mean is we have islands in both the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay. You can make choosing an island that has the same seasonal pattern as your current home. So tell me, Choco, where do you live? Europe. Hemisphere. Sure. Okay, so don't worry about whether you have enough space or comfort. You can't go on. Okay, now I'm gonna pick one. Choose your. Oh, this one has a kinda. Look at that circle there. I like the logo of this. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. What would it be? One thing. A sleeping bag, a lamp, some food, something to kill the time. What would... No, not a lamp. Some food? I guess I would bring food. A sleeping bag. Something to kill time. No, I wouldn't. I would bring food. Man, this game looks great. Oh, the voices, the Animal Crossing voice, I love it so much. Should I make the way to the gate at this time? Oh, it's time to go. Perfect time. Come on, let's all board the plane together. Hello everyone, thank you for taking this chartered flight as part of Nook Inc.'s Dissident Iceland Getaway Package. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy a complimentary video presentation about the deserted Iceland life. Alright. I guess it's gonna be the intro video. Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, yo, she chilling, she vibing. I look at the bug. Oh, yeah, they're on the trees. The butterflies. I'm gonna catch those. Fishing. Oh man, I haven't seen this. This looks so great. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh man. Hey, that's me. That's me. Pow, Tom Nook. Oh wait, that ain't me. That ain't me. Oh, man, this game is gonna be so much. Oh, whoa! Big as a crane. I can't wait to visit other people's Iceland. Man, it's gonna be so much fun. A Nook Inc. production. It's loading. Ah, good old Animal Crossing. New Horizons. Okay, so this is my spot. Podo Airlines. We're here. Now know you must be incredibly excited to explore your new Iceland home, but I have one small request. Would you please join us for a short orientation session in the nearby plaza? Of course I will. Our fearless leader himself will be giving presentations. I would hate for you to miss it. Is it Tom Nook, the big boss? Press L to follow. Yo, look at this! Oh my god, look at the tree. It looks so good. Yes, and now we... Timmy, alright, is that everyone? Let's see. Is Renee... Is that how you say it? Renee? Oh, that's Renee. Is that a horse? Ooh, and how about Sheldon? Hey, Sheldon! Okay, so we got two others, Sheldon and Renee. Tom Nook, the big boss, the founder and the president of Nook Inc. Look at him. First things first. There's no music yet, though. I want to hear some music. Okay, well, I'm gonna go with this is Timmy, right? Yeah. Thank you, Timmy. Thank you. Yes, thanks for the map. Ooh, the music. Can I run? Yes. Well, I'm gonna put down the tent. I wanna do it a bit near water. Man, these games look so great. I can't wait to show this to my little sister and nephew. They're gonna find this so great. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure they're gonna get a Switch just because of this game. Just for this game they're gonna switch, I'm pretty sure, because this looks great. There was a small... Wait, how do I open the map? Y? No. This button? This button? Oh, no. Okay, so with this I can check. So I can say, hey? Oh, oops. Hey! Okay, so that's how you chat with this button. This person doesn't do anything, this one doing, this one doing. Oh, that's how you do it. Wait, is it just this? Only the concept automatically. I wanna put down my tent down there, but I can't go there. I wonder if we can change it once you put it down. Let me talk to Renee. You are... Wait, I got it. Don't tell me. You're a choker. I'm Renee. I got tell you, I'm excited to do this whole Iceland thing. Hey, yo. Yo. Looks like we're both having trouble deciding where to set up our tents. I mean, it's a pretty big decision, yeah. Yep, we're neighbors. Man, I can put it down there. I wanted to go. I wanted to put it there, but I can't go there. There's no bridge. No, there's no bridge. Okay, let's see how the map looks. Okay. I will put it down, I guess. I guess a bit close to here. Oh, Sheldon, the boy. What up, Sheldon? Yo, I'm Sheldon. You're Choco, right? Nice to meet you, Cardio. So, finding a place for a tent. I'm looking to pitch mine somewhere close to nature so I can train my body and my soul. Cardio. Hey, he the buff boy. He the buff boy. Oh, this seems like a nice spot. Man, this is such a big decision. This is such a nice spot, though. I think I'm gonna put it down there. I wanna do it near water. Yeah, I'm gonna put it down there. This is the spot. I need to do Y tent build here. Oh. Perfect. Let me imagine it. Yeah, it looks good, right? Yes!